Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the windshield washer pump on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. If you have problems with it, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and you can, guys, see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the windshield washer pump, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys. First thing we want to do, we need to open the hood on that Volkswagen Tiguan facing the engine on the right side of the car. This is the driver's side. We're going to have a fuse box under that cover here. When you open it, you have that fuse box layout. Before we, guys, continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video, how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So, guys, that fuse box that you see right here, that's the layout for 2012 to 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan after the facelift. Now, if you have 2008 to 11, we'll explain in a second as well. But if you have a 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, you will need to check fuse number 22. Right here, you see that fuse. Now, guys, if you have 2008 to 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, you will need to check a different fuse. And which fuse we're talking about? Okay, guys, fuse number 19. It will be this fuse right here. Now, behind the dash of your Tiguan, you will have some hidden relays as well that you may consider checking, guys. Okay, you may have up to 6 relays here. You may have a different relay box above the interior fuse box and one more attached to the interior fuse box, but there was very limited information, so check the relays if you want to see. We'll make a special video just to check a little bit more about those relays. It will be called VW Tiguan relay location and diagram, and you can see more where those relays are located and how to get to it. All that will be on our channel, guys. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.